Basic books of accounts. All financial transactions are recorded through the following basic books of accounts: cash book, bank book, journal, purchase register and purchase subsidiary book, and sales register and sales subsidiary book. Transactions. All the above transactions are posted in a ledger in various accounts. Generally, entries related to cash or bank, payment or receipts are recorded in the cash book. All non-cash transactions are recorded in the journal book. For practical convenience, the journal is divided into several subsidiary books. The following subsidiary books may constitute the journal for an enterprise: purchase book, purchase return book, sales book, sales return book, and journal proper. Journal book format. Journal book is used to record all day-to-day entries. Format of journal is as follows. Date is the date of transaction. Account name indicates those two accounts which are affected due to this transaction. Debit, amount for debit account. Credit, amount for credit account. After recording all transactions for a particular period, debit and credit columns are totaled. These totals should be equal. Posting of transactions. After the transaction is recorded, it will be posted in the general ledger. The general ledger contains all the accounts of an enterprise. General ledger serves the purpose of reclassifying and summarizing all the information recorded in the cash book and journal according to account heads, called ledger accounts.